What's up guys, it's me in the game, it's Bad Aim. And today we've got an opening for you. This is a Hoopa v Pokémon.
I'm getting excited, look
card.
at the back! Look at the back packaging!
I know, look at that. It's the big giant Hoopa.
The one behind there, I wonder what those two are.
Oh, those cards? Well, let's have a look and find out, shall we? Let's see what we can open up.
Whoa, look how many arms. Look how many arms it has.
Ow. Throws rings.
I wish I had
Alright.
But then I wish I had 2 arms.
Yeah. And let me take this off. No, can take this off. So many things. There you go. Alright, first. Big Hoopa V card.
So cool.
Regular Hoopa V card.
What's gonna do it? Whoa, check that out.
Look at the strike there. As long as this Pokemon is in play, it has Spooky and Dark type.
That's cool.
Ooh,
Oh, you can
pretty cool.
What's the one?
Put 3 damage counters on one of your Pokemon. And that's a shadow impact of 170. Pretty good. Alright, let's see. We've got, what did we get? We got Evolving Skies, a Fusion Strike, so this is relatively new. 2 Fusion Strikes, and a Vivid Voltage.
Vivid Voltage! This is so cool. This is gonna be so cool.
Vivid Voltage and 2 Evolving Skies. Let's open.
We have the bottom of it.
Let's open.
That's cool here.
I don't know. We'll open Fusion Strike first. Let's see. Alright. First pack of Fusion Strike.
This is getting too exciting. There's Evolving Skies.
That's the card. 1, 2, 3, 4.
We always serve that.
And we've got Green Energy. Dual Trevenant from Phantom. Adventures Discovery.
Never got her.
It's down just a little. Hold on. Oh, Schoolgirl. Trainer
I don't
card.
think we have that.
Voltorb. Pansage. Cuyufant. And Gligar.
I think that's like a bag.
Slugma. Berserker and Absol. Galarian Berserker in a reverse hollow card here. That's alright. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. I'll put these aside. Let's see, Fusion Strike pack number 2.
I feel like you get the same card.
Alright, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Hope we don't energy again.
And Water Energy. And Eldegross. Power Tablet.
What's a power tablet?
I don't know, an item card. Oh, Beware. Dewpider.
That's like spider.
Meowth.
Oh, yeah.
PD. Phonix. Chuto.
We already have
So
him.
far, so boring. Shroomish. Ooh, there's Cloyster, Reverse Hollow, and Blissey. That's not bad.
Bessie.
Evolves from Chansey. That's a good card. That's a good playable
Wait, look.
card.
Look at the ability.
I know. Expert in Roundness. Look at the ability on there. That's pretty strong. Prevent all damage done to each of your Pokemon that has the Let's All Roll Out attack by attacks from your opponent's Pokemon VMAX.
If there is a Pokemon.
Mm-hmm.
I think.
Okay. Let's do the Evolving Skies next.
I think Evolving Skies is like Evolving.
Yeah. We'll see.
I want them. What Evolving? Evolving.
1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see, what energy card do we get?
Ooh, not bad.
Electric.
Okay, so we're getting this.
Let's see. Baldor. We've got Aroma Lady, Rescue Carrier, Phoebus, Teddy Ursa, Dino, Hoppip, Hitmonchan, and Roggenrola and Flapple. Now, look what happened here. These cards are a little bent. Oh well. That's okay. Alright, let's see. Last pack. Vivid Voltage of the Buffy box. Let's have a look at what we get here.
This is getting too exciting.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, the magic number. Let's see. Oh, it's a fire.
Not bad.
What are we getting here? Swoobat.
Not bad. I don't think we have that.
Mag Cargo.
Ooh. Oh, we got an Evolving.
Staff.
We got an
Oh,
Evolving
Wilmer.
here.
Wilmer's not bad. It's a strong Pokemon. Cottony. Clobbopus.
Not as good.
Electric.
Who's Electric?
Execute.
I don't execute.
Oh, there's a reverse hollow Chichester Bath.
What's a Chichester Bath?
It's a stadium.
What is a Chichester?
All basic Pokemon, both yours and your opponents, take 20 less damage from
that
attacks.
Oh.
And the last card is Donphan.
Oh.
And that is all, folks. That is all that we opened in Hoopa V Box. Hope you enjoyed that video. Please like and subscribe. And as always, have fun, stay safe, and play some Pokemon.